he comes. There's Riley. There's the Gracie Bug. You come on, buddy. Oh, come on, buddy. You come get him. Yeah. You come get him. Come on, you can do it. Atta boy. Yes, he's coming. Here he comes. That's a good job. Yeah, you can do it. Yeah, come on. We'll go look over here. There's Riley and Gracie. They're waiting for you. I see the future. If he's a true car man, the ladies will be waiting for him. You're not very timely. But you're awful cute. Come on. Just like your daddy.